You're looking at a machine that can pull a heavy weight off the floor with sheer air pressure. This is the new era of home cleaning where we are seeing suction numbers that honestly feel like overkill. Think about dirt buried deep in the fibers of a thick rug from years ago. These new flagship robots are designed to rip that dust out without breaking a sweat. Both of these high-end models share a common DNA of raw power and intelligence. They feature a unique climbing system that allows them to scale high thresholds and move across uneven floors like a rugged off-road vehicle. If you have those annoying transition strips between rooms or thick carpets that usually trap a smaller vacuum, these machines just glide right over them. They also come with a massive home base that handles all the disgusting parts of cleaning for you. It washes the mops with hot water. It dries them with a blast of heat so they do not smell like a wet basement. It even empties its own dust bin. You could go weeks without even touching the thing, but there is a massive divide in how they actually handle your floors. The standard version of this flagship uses a pair of spinning mop pads. Think of it like a professional buffer at a car wash. These pads rotate at high speeds to physically scrub away dried spills and sticky messes. It is a powerhouse for heavy-duty cleaning. On the other side, the premium vibrating model uses a different philosophy. It uses sonic technology to shake the mop plate thousands of times every single minute. This creates a high-frequency vibration that focuses on precision. If you have glossy tiles or dark hardwood, this vibrating motion is less likely to leave those annoying swirl marks or streaks that spinning pads sometimes create. It is a much more surgical approach to floor care. The way they see the world is also a bit different. One relies on a vision-based system that acts like a set of eyes to recognize shoes, cables, and pet accidents. The vibrating model combines that vision with laser-based mapping for a more hybrid approach. Some people find the vision-only system a bit more reliable for dodging random clutter, while others prefer the rock-solid mapping of the laser setup. There is also the question of long-term care. The vibrating model is more complex. It has more moving parts inside that sonic engine. Some might worry that the extra vibration could lead to more wear over time compared to the simpler spinning motor. If you want something that just works with minimal fuss, the spinning pad version is a safer bet. But if you demand a streak-free shine on your expensive marble floors, the sonic vibration is hard to beat. Both of these machines represent the absolute peak of what technology can do in your living room right now. You are choosing between brute force scrubbing and high-tech sonic precision. It really comes down to the texture of your home and how much you hate seeing streaks on your floors. It is a choice between two giants of the industry. One gives you that classic deep scrub, while the other provides a high-frequency finish. Both will make your old vacuum look like a relic from the Stone Age. You just have to decide if your floors need a massage or a heavy-duty buffing. Either way, you are winning. The convenience of a dock that does everything from washing to drying is a game changer for anyone who values their time. No more touching dirty mop water. No more hauling a heavy machine up and down the hallway. This is the future of the smart home, and it is finally getting to the point where the robots are better at the job than we are.